Hey everybody, I am changing today from tray 13 to tray number 14. This is my second to last step. Yay! And yesterday I got an email from Candid and they were asking me if I was ready for my retainers. I got my set of aligners in June. So it was like June 3rd was when I started. So from what I understand, and I'm not 100% on this, but if you ordered after July or if you received your aligners in July or later, that your last retainer set or your retainers will come in your last set. I guess they just make them a little bit stronger. Your very, very last set of trays a little stronger. So I'm not 100% on that, but that's what I have been reading online. So if you have any questions, please double check with your Candid Co rep. But anyway, I'm very excited. So I have one tooth, which is my eye tooth, right, this one. And it is not 100% fitting into the very, very bottom of my tray. It is literally just a little bit tipped up. So I am not unhappy with that. My teeth look great, in my opinion. My eye teeth look even, so I'm not going to request any refinements. So I will just be taking the set of retainers as they come. So unless something's really weird and something crazy happens, but I have just one more set to go after this and I'm totally excited. So I'll go ahead and start with the bottoms today. My husband is laughing at me, so I'm sorry. This is the first time he's ever been home while I've been filming. So, okay, the bottoms feel exactly like the last set did, essentially where the backs are wanting to flip up, but there is significant pressure on the front and it's actually starting to hurt. So I'll be using a little bit more ibuprofen tonight. Now for the tops. Okay, it's a little bit uneven pressure, but I can definitely tell that there is some back tooth work going on. So, and wow, the bottoms really hurt right here on the front. Ow. Okay, so I am going to head off to take some ibuprofen. My Chewies are somewhere. I left them on my other table. So I'm in my kitchen today because I have too much stuff on my dining room table that I didn't feel like moving because it's been a long day. So you can see my Amazon packages waiting for me. So anyway, I will see you all in 2 weeks for my very, very last set. And I'm really excited to try this on. So have a great 2 weeks and I will see you back for the last set.